You know this on camera? Look what she called me. Look at these views. Look at these views. Gotta suck it up. I don't beat her tonight. Ain't got beat tonight, baby. Beat you out to the ass.
You
black and
poop,
blue.
bitch! Get your hand out of my boobs! You're an asshole!
Little brat. Little brat.
Fucking stab you, bitch! Get out of my boobs!
I thought for sure you were going to be hiding somewhere. If you were hiding somewhere, you could like on the gear or something over here.
Don't! You're not allowed to do that!
So watch yourself.
Pookie! Pookie!
Put the camera away.
No! I'm recording! No, I'm recording, baby! I'm recording!
No comment.
Don't!
No
You're
comment.
not that famous. You can't do that.
No comment.
You're not Britney Spears!
Look at Britney Spears.
Wow, you're so nice. Nice scarf. Oops.
Fucking hot, right? This is what I wear snowboarding. I didn't even wear a jacket.
Really?
Stop recording me.
No, you stop recording me, bitch!